Fisherfolk are sounding the alarm over the rising tide of fuel prices, warning that soaring costs are threatening to sink their livelihoods. Authorities are racing against the clock, promising millions in subsidies and urging quick action to ensure that aid reaches fishermen before they head out to sea to cast their nets. Luisa Erispe says it all.
Problema ngayon, nag-uusap bibigay daw yung ayuda in the next 2 weeks. Kaya lang baka kung after 2 weeks, wala na mangisda.
Fisher folks are voicing strong opposition to the economic impact of rising fuel prices across the country. During the hearing of the Senate Committee on Agriculture, Food and Agrarian Reform, the Agri-Fishery Group SINAG reported that fishermen have already lost 500 pesos in earnings since the surge in crude oil prices. There are growing concerns that if the trend continues, many may be forced to halt their operations entirely.
Mas kawawa yung mangingisda kasi dagdag sa gasto sa produksyon niya yun. Ina-absorb niya ang sarili. Yung mga jeep pwedeng huminto ng ilang oras Dumagdag pa ng 500 a day ang kanyang gastos because of the 25 peso liter. Pag tumaas pa next week yung diesel at gasolina.
However, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, or BFAR, assured that assistance is ready for disbursement. A 50 million peso fund has been allocated, which is expected to benefit over 15,000 fishermen, with each recipient set to receive 3,000 pesos.
Pwede po, kung pwede, ipapastak natin. Kasi right now, yung budget natin for 2026, kasi nakadeposit na po sa DBP, Mr. Chair. Nakadeposit po yung ating budget ng 50 million for our fuel subsidy. Yun po ay, baka next week lalabas na po yung ating supplemental agreement.
The agency is also requesting an additional 25 million pesos for fuel subsidies, with priority given to those in the most impoverished municipalities. Nevertheless, Committee Chairman Senator Kiko Pangilinan believes these amounts are insufficient. The senator noted that the 10 billion peso fund is already standing by at the Department of Agriculture, intended not only for fisherfolk but also for farmers. Citing a lack of implementing guidelines, Pangilinan is urging the DA to expedite the process to ensure immediate distribution. The senator emphasized that aid should be accessible to all affected fisherfolk, not just those in poorer municipalities. This assistance is separate from the additional funding currently being deliberated by Congress. Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.